Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to equip the lantern on Red Dead Redemption 2. So it's a very easy step. All you have to do is just hold the tab button and then this weapon will pops up on your screen and your lantern can be found right here at this section where your knife is stored. So switch it using Q or E from the keyboard. And after you see the lantern, all you have to do is just select it and release the tab button to use it. But here's a note. If you guys can't find the lantern at the first try, all you have to do is just approach your horse and hold the tab button again. And then you can find your lantern right here at that section where I showed you. So guys, that's how you equip the lantern on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.